Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of s. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So we have the s over number 2 with the square root of s. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so I will put number 2 go to the left. Next, we change the square root of s into about u. The s over the square root of s we change by 2 du. The integration of this one, you got about r side of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.